What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, what you see about the description is going to be the G35 on some LED lights that I got from another company that wanted me to review the headlights. So since you guys seen the last video, you know I did some LED bulbs for the Mazda Speed 3. So now I'm doing it on the G35. So yeah, I'm gonna do a quick video and show you guys what it is. These are the lights right here. It's called Oxilam. They reached out to me, wanted me to do a review on these LED bulbs. So I got them for the G35. So I already got bulbs for the day, pretty much the always use light bulbs. These are for the high beam ones. If you guys seen my video of me installing the D or the Spec D headlights, there's one plugs that I didn't have for the bulbs. It didn't fit, so I got the right ones this time for this company. I had it right here, so they reached out to me. I picked the ones that I needed for the G35, so we're gonna give it a shot and see how they look and how bright they are, which I'm pretty sure it's gonna be really bright. These are LED lights and it's your high beams. Yes, you're not gonna really use your high beams that much, but like I said, I didn't have it for the one plug, which you guys watched my last video, so might as well give it a shot and try them out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get to it. So if you guys worked on the G35s, of course, you can take off the headlights because there's no room, you can get to it. You probably could taking off ever this, but I'm not gonna do all that, so I'm just gonna do the front bumper right quick. So there's two screws right here and right here. Mine don't come with it because some of them's broken, so it's just some screws that was in the car. So just take the tools off right here, and if you have your cover, which most of you do, little tabs. Let's go right here, right here, right here, right here, and right here, and right here. And take it off. Then if you want to do the other side, take it off. But I'm just gonna take off the tabs. I'll take off the tabs off of here, and I just did that one time. I'm just gonna swing the bumper sideways and take the bumper off, or halfway take it off. So I already did this stuff already, so I'm just do this. Took them off, see, move to the side, and that's it. So you know, it's a 10 right here. Where is it? The 10 right there. And you take off right here, and there's one right here on the side. Then the whole headlight will come out. So I'm not gonna. I don't have a tripod right now, so I'm just gonna take off the 10s and I'll get back to you guys. And there we go, lights off. But before I start, so a lot of you been asking how the Spec D headlights been doing since I did that, you know, the sealant, because you know when you buy a Spec D headlights, you have to, they want you to reseal. That's a requirement. So I washed the car a lot of times and I haven't gotten no water back in it. So there's this. This is when I first did the sealant and sprayed water. But what I should have done was I should have just let it dry, then did it. So that's what I messed up on. But it's just dry marks inside. So I have to figure out a way to. I might have to open the light up, but hopefully not. I'm gonna figure out something where I can clean the inside, and then it'll be clean like this side. And you just like see, nice and clean, no water in it, nothing. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys because I got a lot of questions about that. So it does work good, so I recommend doing that once you buy your Spec D headlights, and don't wash it right away. Just wait till it fully cures and it should be good to go. So yeah, let's get back to the video. All right, so here we go. So if you have Spec D headlights or if you have stock headlights, should be about the same. I don't know if the same as the cover for like this, but it should be in this area. So you pop, it's like this, you pop it off, and this is the connector that it looks like. So I had a bunch of people too that had Spec D headlights, and they couldn't figure out what bulb it takes. So it takes the H4 that fits through right here for the spec D. So if you got spec D, get a H4 bulb and you should be good to go. So let's get to the video. I'll show you the product. So here's the lights right here. It comes with this cool box. This is what we have right here. So it comes with, you know, stuff. It comes with white gloves because they don't want you touching the bulbs. So I'm gonna be careful with it. I know what not to touch on it. So this is what the bulbs look like. The LED lights, all right, LED bulbs. So here we go. LEDs right there. Both sides. The side there's a fan inside. You can't. I don't know if it's not picking up, but there's a fan inside here in the middle. So that's what it looks like. 3 prongs for the connector. So yeah, let's see. Fits. Look like it might fit, but the only thing I'm worried about is this part right here. Looks like it's way big, but I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna put it in and show you guys if it fits or not. So that's how you do it. So, I don't know if you guys see, but there's a tab in the back to keep this bracket down, so this light can stay down. But that's how you do it. So now you just plug it in and put your cover back on and put it on. So I'll show you guys right now. There you go, the light works. So if you guys can see how it tabs down, just plug it in, make sure the wire's out the way, and you just put your dust cover back on, and there you go. So I'm gonna do the other side, and I come back to you guys when I have the lights on. All right, so it's the running lights here, just the regular running lights. Like I said, I have some LED bulbs for the running lights, but this is what it looks like with the new high beams. You guys, I don't know if you guys see, but it's lights like this. They get in the left side and the right side of the houses. You can see. There you go, guys. That's how you install you guys this LED lights on their G35 2006. That's the high beam lights. Again, I mean, you ain't gonna be using the high beams that much, but I mean, like I said, I didn't have them, and Oxilam had asked me to review the lights, so that's what I did. So yeah, you can see it's really bright. Like, it shines the left and the right side of the houses, so it's really bright. I couldn't show you a before and after video because I didn't have those bulbs even connected. Like, I didn't have them. So but yeah, so if you guys trying to look for some bulbs that you can see at night, especially like maybe like you're driving somewhere far and you can't really see, if you want extra lighting, you can definitely use that. But just know, I'm for sure you guys will probably be blinding people, so yeah, just keep that in mind. But yeah, thanks again, Oxilam, for giving me the bulbs. Let me try them out. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you guys think about this video. And yeah, oh, so if you guys want to get your pair, I've linked in the description of their website to where you guys can get you guys a pair. And they don't just have high beam lights, they have LED lights, they have bulbs, they have daytime running bulbs too, and other stuff too, not just bulb, they have other stuff. So check out their website. I put on the link in the description. But till then, see you guys in the next one.